Hi there, and welcome back to another tutorial on Peter Malloy Architect. On this tutorial, what I want to cover just very briefly is how to copy a legend from one sheet to another sheet. So in a previous tutorial, I've come in here to an add-in software called PY Revit, very handy software indeed. And if you can look in the description, and I'll show you where you can find this to download for free. Once you have it downloaded, just come into your dialog up here, PY Revit, and we're just in the sheet space here at the moment on this sheet here. And what I'm going to do is come up, click here, click sheet, copy, update selected viewports to selected sheets. And you just want to select the sheet you want to copy a given legend to. So I'm selecting this R06 one as a blank sheet, so select sheet. And then once you have that done, you see everything is grayed out. You just want to select the legend you want to copy, and then come up here to finish. And then once that's done, then you come in here and boom, there it is. So that's a quick tutorial on how to copy a legend from sheet to sheet with this handy plugin PY Revit up in the sheet dialog. Thanks for watching, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers.